This is NOAA All Hazards Weather Radio Station WXL94 at Waterloo, Iowa, transmitting on 162.55 MHz. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service at Des Moines, Iowa. The current time is 2:06 p.m. Central Standard Time. Snow and strong winds generally tapered off overnight across much of central Iowa, leaving in its wake areas of around 2 to 4 inches of snow and some very cold temperatures. Morning lows across the majority of the state were under 20 degrees, with northwest Iowa easily the coldest around 0 or a few degrees below. Southeast and eastern Iowa remained a bit warmer, with lows only in the low to mid-20s. Chances for some more light snow will scoot through southern and southeast Iowa today, potentially dropping another couple inches of snow. Over the next week or so, chances for snowfall across at least portions of the state will be seen every couple of days. Best chances look to occur Sunday, Monday evening, Wednesday, and to end the week Friday. While no single event looks to be substantial at this time, they each will have the capability to produce quick couple inches of snowfall. On the temperature side, things will roller coaster a little bit with a brief warm-up into the 30s to start the week before sliding back down into the single digits to 20s for highs by the middle to end of the week. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Waterloo, Cedar Falls, and surrounding locations. Rest of today, mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of light snow. High in the lower 20s. North wind 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 25 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy until midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Low around 10. North wind 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts to around 20 miles an hour, shifting to the east after midnight. Sunday, mostly cloudy. A 50% chance of light snow in the afternoon. High in the mid-20s. Southeast wind near 10 miles an hour. Sunday night, mostly cloudy. Snow until midnight. Light snow accumulations possible. Low around 15. South wind near 10 miles an hour. Chance of snow 80%. Monday, mostly cloudy. High in the lower 30s. Southeast wind near 10 miles an hour. Monday night, cloudy with a 50% chance of light snow. Not as cold. Low in the mid-20s. Tuesday, partly sunny. A 20% chance of light snow in the morning. High in the mid-30s. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy. A 20% chance of light snow after midnight. Low 15 to 20. Wednesday, cloudy with a 50% chance of light snow. High in the upper 20s. Wednesday night, partly cloudy with a 30% chance of light snow. Colder. Low 0 to 5 above. Thursday, mostly sunny. Colder. High 10 to 15. Thursday night, mostly cloudy. A 20% chance of light snow after midnight. Low 0 to 5 above. Friday, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of light snow. High in the lower 20s. Again, the forecast for Waterloo, Cedar Falls, and surrounding locations for the rest of today, mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of light snow. High in the lower 20s. North wind 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 25 miles an hour. These are the 2 p.m. conditions for the Waterloo area. At the Waterloo Airport, it was fair. The temperature was 22 degrees, the dew point 10, and the relative humidity 60%. The wind was north at 13 miles an hour, producing a wind chill of 10. The pressure was 30.04 inches and rising. Looking around the area, it was sunny, with a temperature of 15 at Mason City and 19 at Olwine. At Marshalltown, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 18. At Cedar Rapids, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 23. It was fair, with a temperature of 19 at Decorah, at 19 at Charles City. Here are some conditions elsewhere in Iowa. It was sunny, with a temperature of 20 at Sioux City, and 9 at Spencer. At Omaha Council Bluffs, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 21. At Des Moines, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 18. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 23 at Dubuque and 27 at the Quad Cities. Now for a few weather conditions around the region. At Kansas City, heavy snow and fog were reported, reducing the visibility to 1/8 of a mile. The temperature was 15 degrees, the wind chill was 2. At Sioux Falls, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 8 degrees, the wind chill was -7. At Minneapolis-St. Paul, it was fair. The temperature was 14 degrees, the wind chill was 0. Once again at 2 p.m., in Waterloo, it was fair. The temperature was 22 degrees, the wind chill was 10. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of western, central, and northern Iowa. For today and tonight, wind chills in the teens and lower 20s below zero can be expected across northwest Iowa this morning. And now the extended outlook for the period Sunday through Friday. Light to moderate snow is expected over portions of central and northern Iowa Sunday afternoon and evening. Although amounts remain uncertain, additional snows are possible Monday night and again around Wednesday. Spotter information statement: spotters will not be needed, but snowfall reports are always appreciated.